Welcome to my video on easy food for DIY. In this video, I'm going to cover daily life of boa who live in the wild. In this video for another day, our boa catching the crab in the muddy land. Did everyone get some experience how to find crab like you see in this video? Here are some tips on how to find crabs in the swamp. Go crabbing at low tide. This is when the crabs are most active and easier to find. Be careful not to get stung by the crab's claws. Look for holes in the mud. Crabs often dig holes in the mud to hide in. If you see a hole, poke it with a stick or your finger to see if there's a crab inside. Look for disturbed mud. Crabs often stir up the mud as they move around. If you see disturbed mud, it's a good sign that there are crabs nearby. Look for crab tracks. Crabs leave tracks in the mud as they walk. If you see crab tracks, it's a sure sign that there are crabs nearby. Crabbing time is going to finish. Our boa goes to find the right place that he can cook them. Life in the wild can be both challenging and rewarding. It can be challenging to find food and shelter and to avoid predators. However, it can also be rewarding to be surrounded by nature and to experience the beauty of the natural world. Living in the wild can give you a sense of freedom that you may not find in a more urban setting. You are free to roam wherever you want, and you are not bound by the rules of society. living in the wild can help you to connect with nature in a way that you may not be able to in a more urban setting. You can learn about the plants and animals that live in your area, and you can appreciate the beauty of the natural world. In the end of video, I would like to say thank you for your valuable time watching my video. If you want to be the first to know about new videos, hit the subscribe button now. Thank you.